What if you could earn $7,000 a week just by using free Google search techniques? Sounds intriguing, right? In today's digital age, making money online has never been more accessible. From affiliate marketing and freelancing to dropshipping and content creation, the opportunities are vast and diverse. Imagine turning your spare time into a profitable venture or transforming your skills into a steady income stream. The internet is full of hidden gems, and with the right strategies, you can tap into these lucrative options effortlessly. Now, let's explore these techniques in detail and discover how you can start boosting your earnings with the power of Google search. Affiliate marketing. Leverage Google search to find high-demand products or services. By signing up as an affiliate with relevant companies, you can promote their offerings and earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Imagine finding a trending product that everyone wants. With targeted marketing, you can drive traffic to your links and watch your earnings grow. Consistent effort in creating engaging content and placing your links strategically can lead to substantial weekly earnings. Think of it as finding opportunities in the vast landscape of the internet, where each successful referral boosts your income. Whether it's the latest tech gadget, a popular online course, or a must-have beauty product, your ability to connect consumers with what they need can turn into a reliable income stream. The key is staying updated with market trends, understanding what people are searching for, and offering them solutions they can't resist. With dedication and smart strategies, you can see a significant increase in your earnings, making affiliate marketing a lucrative way to harness the power of Google search, potentially earning you around $7,000 per week. Freelancing opportunities. Use Google search to find freelance gigs that match your skills or interests. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, Google can connect you with clients who need your expertise. Delivering quality work and building a strong reputation are key to securing high-paying projects. Imagine finding a client who needs a logo design or a website update. With a few searches, you can uncover opportunities that fit your skill set perfectly. Consistency in delivering excellent work can lead to repeat business and referrals, increasing your income steadily. The key is to stay proactive, keep an eye on job boards, and continuously improve your skills to stand out in a competitive market. By using Google to search for freelance opportunities, you can find projects that not only pay well, but also align with your passions and strengths, making work feel less like a chore and more like a fulfilling activity. With dedication, it's possible to earn around $1,000 to $2,000 per week, depending on the type of projects and clients you secure. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys or market research studies may not make you rich overnight, but it can provide a steady trickle of extra income that adds up over time. By using Google search to find legitimate survey platforms, you can complete surveys and earn small rewards like cash, gift cards, or other incentives. Each survey might only take a few minutes, and the rewards can quickly accumulate. Think of it as a way to monetize your spare time, like while watching TV or waiting for an appointment. Combining survey earnings with other income methods can help diversify your financial streams, making your overall income more robust. The key is to be consistent and selective, focusing on the highest paying and most reliable platforms. This way, you can maximize your earnings without wasting time. Whether you're answering questions about your shopping habits, testing new products, or sharing your opinions on various topics, these small efforts can contribute to your weekly income. On average, you can earn around $50 to $200 per week from online surveys and market research, making it a simple yet effective way to boost your earnings. Dropshipping. Using Google search to research trending products can be a game changer for your dropshipping business. By identifying what's popular and in demand, you can set up an online store and list these products without needing to handle inventory. When customers make purchases, you simply order directly from suppliers who take care of shipping. This business model allows you to focus on marketing and customer service, which are key to driving sales and growing your income. Imagine finding a hot product that everyone wants and listing it in your store. Each sale adds to your profits. The margin between the retail price you set and the wholesale cost you pay can lead to significant earnings. The key to success is choosing the right products and optimizing your store for conversions. With dedication and smart strategies, dropshipping can bring in approximately $500 to $2,000 per week, depending on your product selection and marketing efforts. It's a scalable way to leverage Google search and turn popular trends into a reliable income stream. Content creation. Use Google search to explore popular niches and topics that resonate with people. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast can be your gateway to a steady income. By focusing on trending subjects and providing valuable content, you can attract a dedicated audience. Monetization opportunities abound, from ads and sponsorships to Patreon and merchandise. Consistent content creation is crucial. As you build a library of engaging posts or videos, your audience grows, and so does your earning potential. Imagine finding a niche that excites you and resonates with others. Each piece of content you create adds to your credibility and reach. The more you produce, the more chances you have to connect with viewers and listeners, turning your passion into profit. By leveraging Google search to stay updated with trends, you can ensure your content remains relevant and appealing. With dedication and strategic planning, content creation can yield approximately $500 to $3,000 per week, depending on your audience size and engagement. It's a rewarding way to share your interests and expertise while earning a substantial income. Local services. Search for local service needs in your area to find profitable opportunities. By offering services like lawn care, pet sitting, house cleaning, or handyman work, you can meet community demands and earn a steady income. Google search can help you identify what services are in high demand. Once you know what people need, you can promote your services online and through word-of-mouth referrals. Imagine a neighbor needing regular lawn maintenance or a busy family requiring house cleaning. These are chances to provide value while making money. Combining excellent service with strong online visibility can help you secure more clients. Regular, high-quality work will encourage repeat business and referrals, boosting your income further. By staying proactive and delivering top-notch service, you can build a solid reputation in your community. On average, providing local services can bring in about $500 to $1,500 per week, depending on the number of clients and the types of services you offer. It's a straightforward way to use your skills in Google search to create a reliable and satisfying income stream right in your own neighborhood. And there you have it. Some amazing ways to earn $7,000 a week using simple Google search techniques. By applying these strategies, you can turn your online time into a profitable endeavor. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to JumTalks for more tips on boosting your income. Don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite method or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.